Okay. What up, everybody? I was not gonna do this. This was not the plan. I'll tell you a little bit about everything that just happened, but just to get everything right, is a rain product for the first people that got rain. And literally, I am just from rain. I did not plan to do this. I just literally just was thinking, yo, I'm going to ask about the rain 5G network, like how does it work, technical stuff. I'm into technology, so I love it. But boom, all of a Sunday I am in the office. Everybody's like, welcome this side, come through this side. I'm like, oh, okay, why am I being welcomed everywhere? They're like, look, we would want you to sign up if you want, and we'll give you everything today so that you can go and test it and tell us about the onboarding experience. I'm like, are you serious? They're like, yeah, tell us your address. Told them my address. Literally on this big giant, the biggest screen you've ever seen. Not TV is not big enough, man. Like, yo, anyway. This man immediately said, his name is, I forgot, beautiful guy, amazing guy. But his name started with a C. He's the CEO of network side of Rain. But basically he's like, yo, look, you have coverage. It's not the best, but it can work. Just take the device, sign up for a device, go home, and then or go to this place and tell us how it looks like, how it feels and everything. So I'm like, I'm not gonna pass on that. Literally, boom, I got in, signed up, got whitelisted, became one of the first few. In fact, I had been in the past like signing up for this 5G because they had mentioned it in the past, and you know, they redirected me to the page, but that page didn't have like a lot of stuff, you know. It just had like a few infos, you know, like name, email, number, and thanks, we'll call you. So crazy me, I decided to just go to the office and boom, literally boom, I got the device right here with me. I'm going to test it in town today. Hopefully I can test it like way sooner than sooner. I want to do this like now, but I'm hungry. I need to get lunch. I don't know if I should even get lunch. Like, you know when you're so happy you forget you want to eat? Like, you don't even want to eat, actually. That's me right now. So yeah, freak, and dude, like, I got the bag, the actual bag from Rain. Only the first few get these, so I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna try and make this unboxing experience quite easy and nice. But yeah, I got stuff to do at the Hive as well. Like I got a lot of stuff that I'm doing, so I don't know how good of an unboxing I can do while trying to achieve other things, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, look, let me not make this like a diary. I'll let you know how it goes. Cheers. It's purpose.
It's proper in here. Shit. I'm gonna do a video call as soon as we start podcasting. I'm a video call death. To the Hive looking like that, change themselves.
conclusion, okay, I think Rain is doing a powerful thing. They're showing what we can do as South Africa, because bear in mind, this would mean that they're the first in Africa. First in Africa, not in South Africa alone, in Africa. Our continent has been moved by the step that they took. So I just want to thank Rain for everything that they have done with regards to bringing this through. To be honest, I saw the team, they are working very, very hard. Everyone hasn't been sleeping for the past couple of weeks to be able to test and bring all of these beautiful products to us. So thank you, Rain. We hope that you can deploy all of the 5G sites everywhere. I was able to be taken on a tour. So what they're doing is that they're using the same antennas, the 4G antennas, and basically mounting the 5G antenna on the same 4G antenna. And the theory there, well, it's practical now, but the theory is that the 4G waveband accelerates the 5G wavebands to where they need to go to. And basically you're looking at I think he mentioned a radius of about 10 kilometers. I might be wrong, 10 or 5, somewhere there, or maybe it was 5. But basically what it does is that it transports, or 4G transports 5G, because the 5G microwave links are small and not straight. You know, they can bounce around very, very easily. But yeah, that's my opinion. That's the experience that I went through. I want you guys to go through the same experience. I can't wait for you guys to show off your speeds, because, you know, dare I say, like, South Africa needs the speeds, man. Fiber is okay, but flip, if 5G can just do 200 megabytes per second, like in 1,000 rand, I'm sorry, man, like, let's all go 5G. We were at one point streaming I think 6 or 7 devices, live TV, DSTV, and YouTube, on HD and full HD and all of the crazy stuff. But anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.